Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gagia classic espresso machine. We tested this machine because the customer had a problem with it was low water flow in brew group, and we just pretty much tested the whole machine and tried to find the problem, and it was just the basket that it was completely clogged, very common with these ones. So we changed the basket, and as you can see now, really good water flow, very nice crema, working perfectly fine. And let's just test the water level. See that there, working perfectly, yes. And the steamer. We'll take a little bit, it needs to build up some pressure in there. As you can see, it's beginning to put up some pressure inside, and just give it a few more seconds. Very strong, working perfectly fine. Right, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.